PUBG Mobile Spectator mode, how to disable and hide Spectator mode in PUBG Mobile. To basically disable or hide the Spectator mode in PUBG Mobile, once you launch PUBG Mobile, tap on this arrow icon located from the very bottom right hand side of the screen. So when you tap on this arrow icon, you can see all these options. From the top, you can go to this option right here that says settings, which is in the gear icon. From settings on the right hand side, you can see various options. You want to go to the one that says privacy and social from the right hand side. From privacy and social, you can see various options. So what we want to do is we want to find the allow spectators to view tire information and switch it to disable. So here you can see game data and statistics. You can set all of this to private, like allow others to view evaluations, allow others to view popularity, allow others to show season recap. All of this you want to basically turn it off, and when you turn this off, people won't be able to spectate your game on PUBG. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.